There it goes. All right, find the penguin round 2. Thinking, well, there's nothing to sleep with, so never mind. Ow. Oh man, dude, he's brave. Not wearing lower mesh. Very brave. There are so many people that have lost teeth here, it's insane. Fucking dentist loves this place.
They love all airsoft places.
Huh? They do, but especially this one. Yep, I've seen people.
I was watching this video
here.
of this one guy who was showing off his meal sim kit. He had mouth bites now, so.
Oh yeah, I would. Oh, you're good.
Like even after 18, I'll never.
Yeah.
Here? No, I don't play here.
Anywhere.
I play a lot of places without this.
They're my friends, but I don't care about the fucking penguin.
Huh?
I don't care about the fucking penguin.
Yeah.
Really? Nah, I want that fucking penguin, man. It is glorious when you get
This
it.
way. I'm hunting airsofters right now.
Okay, you have fun with that.
Me too. I'm enjoying it.
Somebody call me a chair.
Just get one of those desk chairs. Get a desk chair, push in front of you.
Yep.
Get shot, just lay down.
Go!
I'm not gonna take off.
Oh, dude, I saw
Hey,
a guy
no blind flag.
I'm being sarcastic.
You know what? Fuck it. I'm moving them all. Whoa, hello. And that is all that mag wrote. It's eerily quiet. Hey, Tango's down here. In the vagina corner. In that fucking dark corner. Just like camp. Clear. They're in that corner for sure. Well, so much for that shit. He's on the cover behind the middle building. You'll be fine if you peek.
Sorry.
Don't shoot the rep.
Oh no, it's Mucho.
Yeah, that's a rep.
I know, but I didn't. You can't understand.
Alright, I think we need to play ballsy. Fuck it. Holy fuck! So he's on the back of that building. For sure. Nope, not here they don't.
He's on the building?
The back of the building right over here. He's in the very back. He's got a very bright light too, so keep that in mind. Alright, we don't die, so we might as well go up. Ready? It's gonna hurt. We got a couple guys pinning us here. We got one in that dark corner and one all the way in the back. James, ready?
Come out, poke your head off!
You are fucking kidding if not one of those hit you. We got it? Where is it? Where's that fucking penguin? I got eyes on it. Moving to intercept now.